Our story begins 100 years ago in a small workshop in Germany's Westerwald region. What started back then as a small workshop has grown into an international family business and a leading brand for crane components. Despite war, destruction and crises, the company continued to grow. From repairs to farm wagons and tractors, all the way to buffer sleeves for the railway. With entrepreneurial courage, Karl Georg founded the only electric steel mill in the region. A distinction that remains to this day. At the end of the 1960s, a new milestone followed. The production of crane wheels, initially jokingly referred to as the penny department, now a cornerstone of our success. Today, we are among the world's leading manufacturers of crane components. Our expertise, cutting-edge CNC technology, and uncompromising commitment to quality make us a reliable partner, from Germany to the world. But technological excellence alone is not enough. That's why we invest in what defines us, the people. Standardized or custom-made, our components stand for maximum availability, long service life, and minimal downtime. We also offer environmentally friendly reconditioning. Our training workshop stands for hands-on education and individual support. For the talents of tomorrow, we keep moving while remaining firmly rooted in responsibility, reliability, and quality. For our employees, for our partners, for over 3,000 customers worldwide. Karl Georg. 100 years of tradition.